Everybody welcome to our tutorial. Today I will see you how to using shortcut command on Microsoft Word 2016. That is very important tutorial for your work in Microsoft Word. Firstly, I want to tell you, if you do not subscribe my channel, firstly subscribe my channel and also stay with us for related or important or necessary tips against Microsoft Word. So firstly open the program, that is Microsoft Word 2016 program, and firstly when you run the program you need a new document. For creating a new document by shortcut in your keyboard you press on Ctrl plus and Ctrl plus, and that is new document, and next now I add here something. Now when I want to save this file in your keyboard you press on Ctrl S. In your keyboard you press on Ctrl S, that is save option. Now you can save your file in any drive in your computer. Suppose I save my file desktop, this is my save file. Next, if I want to close this document in your keyboard you press on Ctrl W, Ctrl plus W, that means close. And next, if you want to open this file that you save on your computer, for open a file in your keyboard you press on Ctrl plus O, that is open. In your keyboard you press on Ctrl plus O, that is open, and then click on open and then browse, that is stop, and that is my zip file and open. And suppose you want to cut or delete this word, then in your keyboard you press on Ctrl plus X. In your keyboard you press on Ctrl plus X, that means cut, and when you want to paste here, cut word, then in your keyboard you press on Ctrl V. In your keyboard you press on Ctrl V, that means paste. And when you want to copy this word to replace on inside, firstly you select the word and in your keyboard you press on Ctrl C, and click on another place, and in your keyboard you press on Ctrl V, that is copy and that is paste. For copy you press on Ctrl plus C, and for paste you press on Ctrl plus V. And when you want to select all the words or select total sentence by a command, in your keyboard you press on Ctrl A. In your keyboard you press on Ctrl A, that means select all the sentence. And when you want to this word, this word to be bold, in your keyboard you press on Ctrl B. In your keyboard you press on Ctrl B, that means bold. And when you want to this word italic style, this word will be italic style, then in your keyboard you press on Ctrl I, that means italic. And when you want to use underline in this word, in your keyboard you press on Ctrl U, that means underline. And when you want to change the font size, in your keyboard you press on Ctrl plus third bracket, that means the font size is decreased. And when you press on your keyboard you press on Ctrl third bracket, another third bracket, then the font will be increased. When you want to this sentence go on the center, then in your keyboard you press on Ctrl E, then the sentence go on the center option, center side. And when you want to this sentence will go on the left side, in your keyboard press on Ctrl L, the sentence will go on the left side. And when you want to the sentence will go on the right side, then in your keyboard you press on Ctrl R, that means the sentence will go on the right side. Now I want to the sentence go on the previous position. For go the previous position you must be in your keyboard you press on Ctrl Z, that means undo, Ctrl Z. And if you want to the sentence will go on the previous position, then in your keyboard you press on Ctrl Y, that means redo. When you in your keyboard you press on Ctrl Z, that is undo, and on your keyboard you press on Ctrl Y, that means undo. And suppose I want to using line space in this here, in your keyboard you press on Ctrl 1, that is single line space and single line space. And when in your keyboard you press on Ctrl 2, that means double line space. And when in your keyboard you press on Ctrl 5, that is 1.5 page line space. And when you want to change the font style, in your keyboard you press on Ctrl D, that is font name. You can use any font style. Suppose I want to click on this style, then okay, the font style changes. And if you want to change case the sentences, all the words in capital letter, go you press on Control Shift A. Control Shift A. All letters will change into the capital. And if you want to using hyperlink or any website at any site, then you click on your keyboard, you press on Ctrl K. You can add any address. Suppose I want to add here, suppose youtube.com, then okay, that is hyperlink. And after the working, you want to print this page, then for print this page in your keyboard, you press on Ctrl P, that is print option, and that is printer. You must be select the printer and number of copies, then enter, then the print will be read out on the printer. So by the using keyboard shortcut, you must be easily work on the Microsoft Word. So I think that you must understand my discuss about Microsoft Word. So I want to say again, for getting more related video about Microsoft Word or any program related video, you must be subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thank you.